Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. This is my dog Willow and she's been sleeping on the floor. She dragged a cover off the sofa and has been lying on the floor. I think she likes the cool breeze coming in from the door, and it's just her way of chilling out. Isn't it, honey? So today I've been painting the doors of my Welsh dresser using willow tree Dulux satin wood. I'm debating whether to actually put the doors on or not now, because I'm thinking it might look quite nice with a curtain. I don't know. I've been doing an inventory and writing the dates on the tins that I've got stashed in the bottom part of the dresser. So it's nice and organised, so I know what I need to get. Like tin tomatoes, I've only got 2 tins of them, so I need to get some more of them. I've got coconut milk, lasagna sauces, and a raft of baked beans and butter beans. There's even some tucked behind here, and I only had 1 tin that was out of date. A tin of sweet corn, and that was because it was behind here, because I filled the tins right up to here behind the post. So yeah, it's all looking good. I'm really pleased. I know where I am with stuff, sort of collecting them together, and the nearer this end, the higher the date. So I know, like, I've got, as I go along, the ones to be used are on this side, and because there's a radiator here, I tend to put dry goods next to it, so when the radiator's on, it's not cooking food. I'm probably going to move these gravy granules away as well, because they're too near the source of heat. Not that I'm having the heating on lately because it's been too warm, but it's looking pretty. It's got me jars on and me tins. So what do you think? Do you think I should just put the doors on? I've got fabric there to make a curtain, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when I put the top on, when I do the top. So the doors have been painted, and next thing to do is take the backing off the top. So I'm going to have to jigsaw it off because it's been screwed on, and I've tried to get the screws undone and it's just not happening. Even on one of the doors here, I couldn't get the metal handle off, and I had to use the angle grinder, and you'll see there, look, it's all chipped because I had to get the angle grinder in. So these are nice and dry because the weather's been warm, so I'll give them another coat shortly today, so they'll be ready to go tomorrow. I went to Home Bargains and Bernardo's today on down Penny Lane, hoping to find some coffee, but no coffee. So I've done a little shop and I spent £10 2p, and this is what I got from Home Bargains. I got some muller corners for my son. They're £2.49. They do the fruity ones and the strawberry shortcake ones as well, packs, and they're still, I think they're £3.89, £3.79, £4 in Asda, so I got £1.40 cheaper. I got some bickies for my son. He loves these. These will go in the fridge in a minute. He generally takes these to work, and they're only 79p. I bought 2 tubs as a treat for myself of acrylic paint because I want to do some patterns, flowers, leaves on some items I've got. So I wanted to have a little go at putting some on my little shelf, like folk art, and I've got a green shoe rack in the other room. So I'm going to do some folk art on that, and I might do some on the scallopy trim here as well. We'll see. Just to see how it goes. I'd like to get some black markers, so I can like sort of draw the outlines in once it's done. But these are 99p each. They only had red, white and black. I was hoping to find yellow, but they didn't have it, because I bought some acrylic paints the other week and they're the little tiny tubes, like about that big, so it won't go very far. So I thought, right, I need some proper tubes like this, big tubes. I got some flannels. I went to get some hand towels to put on my new towel rack for the bathroom, but all they had was bath towels. No hand towels, no bath sheets. So I got these face cloths, and they were only 99p. So what I'll do, I'll leave that as a little pile on the wood rack that's across the bath, so it looks pretty. So it's setting the scene for when people come to see and when the estate agent takes some photos. I got a big jumbo twist treat for my dog. It's like a chewy stick, but it's covered in chicken meat. So what she tends to do is peel all the chickeny bits off, and then the chewy stick hangs around for a few days because she's slowly but surely having a chomp on it. That was 99p. Got myself a couple of toothbrushes as usual, and they were 79p. And last but no means least, after, because by the time I got it home, a little fuchsia plant, and that was £1.99. So that'll go in the garden. I just thought, oh, bring a nice little bit of colour into the garden. I only got the paint and the fuchsia because I was hoping to get about 3 packets of coffee. I went into Asda, and yeah, it's just ridiculous prices in there. I had a look at them and I was just thought, no. I've had a parcel today. Got these on eBay, the Schwartz Pine Spice Rack. These are vintage ones from years ago. One was still in the packet, even with the packet of screws, and there was 2 loose ones. And I've already put one up on my plate rack here. So they could be used to hang stuff up. It doesn't necessarily have to be spices. It could be little things to hang on it, or even some little cups. I just thought, oh, I'll put that on there. I've no idea where I'm going to put the other 2. So I think there were £3.24 and just under £3 postage. So it came to just over £6 to get them delivered. So it works out about £2 each rack. So they remind me of those shaker peg boards that you get, peg rails that you can get that people often have on the shelves, or to use it as trim round the room. And the only problem was one of them had come out, so I would glue it because I've got wood glue hanging around doing stuff, and I put a little tiny screw in the dowel, so that's all good to go. So that's a bit darker colour, that one, and 2 are paler. So I thought that was a great price. What do you think? So my spices don't fit on them because I tend to get mine. Oh, they do. I tend to get mine from Aldi. So I suppose I could actually use them for what it's meant for, some spices to free up a bit of room on here. We'll see. I just thought it looked nice, to be honest, and I thought, oh, you could hang a mug on there, or a cup, or whatever, some sort of utensil if you got something knocking about. They've all got small holes, but if you had something with a smaller hole and it was smaller to hang down, you could easily hang it up, couldn't you? Let's have a look, see my little spoon rest. Yeah, so you could do that. You could put little bits on. So, yeah. So a bit disappointed over Home Bargains. I had bits what I wanted. They didn't, again, there was a load of things I wanted that they didn't have. They didn't have me peri peri sauce. They didn't have me coffee. What else was I after? Yeah, so just generally, yeah, I had a little list, and I was just like, oh, it's getting not in again. But I was happy that they had some tubs of paint this time, because when I was in last time, they just had black. And I've treated myself to a plant. So this is just my only little shop I'm doing this week, because we're having a fridge, freezer and pantry week to save some money, because I need to pay some council tax and some gas and lecky. Get it out of my life. So hope to see you soon. Please like, share and subscribe and all those sorts of things if you could be so kind. And if you could leave a comment, that helps YouTube algorithm to push it out to other viewers, because my views are even lower now, at like 300. So I know people are busy because it's warm and sunny outside. So yeah, so hope to see you soon, and bye for now.